Are you ready to spice up your Taco Tuesday? Prepare for a culinary journey as we delve into the world of tacos, showcasing 3 unique variations that will make every Tuesday a fiesta. First up, let's turn up the heat with spicy shrimp tacos. Start by marinating plump shrimps in a fiery mix of chili powder, garlic, and lime juice. Allow the flavors to meld together while you prepare a zesty slaw with cabbage, carrots, and a hint of lime. Now heat a pan and cook the shrimp until they are pink and juicy. Assemble your tacos by laying a bed of slaw on a warm tortilla, topping it with the spicy shrimp, and garnishing with fresh cilantro and a drizzle of sour cream. Now let's slow it down with BBQ pulled pork tacos. Begin by slow cooking the pork in a tangy barbecue sauce until it's falling apart. While your pork cooks, whip up a simple coleslaw with a twist. Add diced apples for a fresh, crunchy element. Once your pork is tender and juicy, shred it and pile it high on a warm tortilla. Top with your apple coleslaw, a sprinkle of cilantro, and a spoonful of extra BBQ sauce for that extra kick. Finally, for our plant-based friends, we present grilled veggie tacos. Start by grilling a colorful array of bell peppers, zucchini, and onions until they are slightly charred and tender. While your veggies grill, prepare a creamy avocado sauce by blending ripe avocados, lime juice, and a touch of garlic. To assemble, spread the avocado sauce on a warm tortilla, add your grilled veggies, and finish with a sprinkling of crumbled feta and a dash of hot sauce. And there you have it, 3 mouth-watering taco variations to redefine your Taco Tuesday. From the fiery, spicy shrimp tacos to the comforting BBQ pulled pork tacos and finally the vibrant grilled veggie tacos, each offers a unique twist on a beloved classic. So step out of the box and turn every Tuesday into a delicious adventure. Until next time, keep those taste buds curious